Okay, so here's my new car. It's a BMW 116D. I'm going to go and take a look. The lights illuminate when you unlock it. This isn't actually a disabled space, don't worry. It's a whole thing. They painted it themselves and they did that illegally, but they haven't removed it. So it's keyless. You just put the key anywhere, but BMW provide this little holder, which is cool. Put it there. Just a 6-speed. There you go. Okay, put your foot on the clutch and the brake. That starts up. Lights on. Put the window down. They're all automatic. Take that key with me. Let's go along with me. There you go. Just do this quickly. I've got a little more shut down. There's all that. Really nice. I think the number plate looks like Hope. That's quite cool. Not religious or anything, but I don't know. I think it's cool that it says Hope. Yeah. I'm gonna just give it a rev. Turn it off again, back on. Okay. The reason I'm doing that is because it's residential street. It's got automatic wipers. It makes them go off just once or twice. Yeah, so let's have a look at this radio then. Give it the... Yeah, so there's the radio. It's good sound actually. It's not the Harman Kardon. It's the BMW Professional or something like that. It's a £200 option, and it's really good. Really good sound. And then let's have a look at like the radio controls here. If you press audio, it goes to the radio. This has DAB, DAB radio. So what's really good is all the presets down here swap between. So like if I press 1, go to radio 1, which is an FM station. 2 goes back to DAB. There you go.
Where does that go?
And stuff like that. Which is really cool. I really like that. I think that's a really good feature for this car to have.
Going up to the wire with two powers muscling up to each other.
There you go, menu. I'm still getting used to this, by the way. Press that again. You see all like the